In the thickest part of the jungle, a cacophony of news reached the ears of the jungle animals. Tales of bravery and justice from the world beyond the dense canopy where humans wore blue uniforms and pursued justice. These were the stories of the police, beings who dedicated their lives to catching miscreants and maintaining peace. Inspired by these tales, a brave tiger named Zara decided that she and her fellow animals should emulate this noble cause. Zara, fiery and determined, roamed the jungle with news of forming a jungle patrol, enticing others to join her cause. First, she approached Remy, the wise old elephant known for his exceptional memory and strength. Remy was intrigued by the idea of order in their jungle and agreed readily, his heart swelling with purpose. Next, Zara recruited Tito, the quick-footed monkey, notorious for his mischief but known for his agility and quick thinking. Tito was skeptical at first, wondering what fun he could have without his playful antics, but the idea of mission-driven pranks made him join. Then came Pippa, the skittish but sharp-eyed parrot. Known for her ability to observe more than any creature from her aerial perch, she would be an excellent scout. Pippa, excited by the prospect of adventure, flapped her vibrant wings in agreement. With the team assembled, Jungle Patrol was born. Their first task was to deal with a gang of notorious poachers, led by the vicious hyena Rafe. The hyenas had been stealing food and spreading fear among the smaller creatures. Zara devised a plan. Remy would block the main paths, Tito would set distraction traps, and Pippa would keep watch from above. The plan was executed flawlessly. Tito lured the hyenas into Remy's line of blockade, while Pippa squawked enthusiastically, directing them.